boy. Oh, there's a toot. There's a toot. Oh, hello. Hello. Hi, Liam. Are you just talking in here? I heard you talking from the other room. You're supposed to be sleeping. Yeah. Are you just talking? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, Liam? Hi. 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 Hi, cute boy. I love your dinosaur outfit. It's so cute. Yeah. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Huh? Are you talking to Mama? Say hi. Say hi. I think you've about had enough. You're ready for me to pick you up, huh? All right.